Hello there. Today's session is about this is part of a series of reflections, coding with agents, and culture coding with agents, I call. How we code, how we develop is probably changing to a certain extent. Not that the usual ways aren't going to be there, but that we're entering a phase of new ways of developing and building. Okay. So now let me show you this project that I'm working because it's how these reflections are happening is through code, through building, through exposing, the daily routine of a developer, of a builder. Okay. So here I am working this system that the intention here is to take a web page and detach a section of this page and out of the page and in the context of visual productions. Okay, so all right, so I have this here, this calculator, this middle area. I want that middle area here to be like a general page, and then I have scripts on the right side. So if I say detach, okay, the element that I want is one thing, but nothing happened. But I did select the calculator. But then with that, what I can do is to animate like this, all right? And then I can return to the origin, and then it attaches again back to the place. So that's very important for visual productions when you want to communicate about software, I guess. That's the use case. But I didn't like the visual of this thing. You see, it's kind of broken. So now here in back to the coding with agent, right? I'm sending the command to the tool, right? I'm using Codex, by the way, OpenAI Codex. And what I just asked is this, okay? That's the prompt on the right hand side there is. This is lovely, but I really enjoyed what you did. But you see this middle area, right? And here, right? And oops, here, right here, right? Right here, this, right here, and here, right? This middle area where I am is, I want that to be dark background. And I wanted a sidebar on the left, okay, with the different samples. And I want another sample, like a newspaper. And in this newspaper, I wanted a section in the middle, like a pane, like an advertising, okay, kind of fake. And all the texts around Lorraine Ipsum Dolor, sort of Latin style. Yes, let's see how it goes. It's working, right? No, to get a better view of this thing, right? By the way, in this session, I'm not looking at all at code quality or anything. Right? I don't care. I'm totally trusting the tool. The point is really to get a prototype going. The point is to understand the potential of a use case, right? Looks like the newspaper demo is coming along. I can even see inside samples. Yes, I see a newspaper. Yeah, and the work is done, I guess. Run the server again, reload. Actually, everything is dark now. All right, but it's slightly better. Anyway, the newspaper case. Oh, that's lovely, right? Although I wanted the newspaper to be white newspaper, right? And gray color. And I did ask for audio V style inline spotlight ad there. Create bold experiences overnight. All right. So if I inject the system, I can pick my element and I can detach the selection, animate to the center, return to the origin, and it works, right? So now detach, animate to the center, and return to the origin. That's beautiful for animating and talking about software, don't you think? Now, the sample is not nice, right? Because what about the white page there, right? Let's see the calculator, by the way, right? Inject the system, pick the element, detach, animate, return. I think that's enough for this demo. I don't even want to patch this thing, right? This for me is enough to prove that detaching, taking the the coordinates and the place where a given element is in a page seems to be working, right? Detach, wait, inject, select, detach, animate, return to the origin. This seems to work. This is great for recording videos about software, don't you think? I always say one thing, you gotta leave the party in the right moment before trouble comes your way. So this is how I'm gonna end this section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.